How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get a deeper voice, easy tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. To get a deeper voice, you guys, there is one simple trick, extremely easy. That's why I called it an easy tutorial. It will instantly get your voice deeper. All you have to do, you guys, is to just slow down how fast you talk. Literally anyone can do this right now. Just slow down how fast you talk. You don't have to talk super slow. But if you talk like this, for example, you talk really, really, really fast, by slowing down your talking, by just saying the words slower, enunciating the words more, it instantly raises your voice. And I can tell I have recorded videos, previous videos of mine, that I talked really, really fast. The pitch of my voice was very, very high. I started seeing that in my videos. I wanted to get a deeper voice. I naturally just slowed down my talking, and you guys probably have noticed it when I did it. And my voice is way deeper, you guys, way deeper. So everyone's voice is going to be a little bit different, but this is one trick that is super simple. Try it out, comment below, let me know what you guys think. End of video.